Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just descale it and we also clean the steamer one. That's all what we did. This machine was brought here because the steamer, they reported that the steamer was not having enough pressure, and that's why we descale this whole machine, descaling the three-way valve that takes care of the lever and the steam coming to the one, and we also clean the one. And as you can see, we're gonna test it out as well. We're gonna just run the steamer and then we're gonna run a little bit of the hot water. Then we're gonna do a shot of espresso with this guy. As the thermal block starts to heat up and the water pump pulses through the whole system, we see an increase of pressure coming out through the one. As you can see and hear, nice steady stream. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Working excellent. Great. Now we're going to do that shot of espresso. Gonna run the hot water. As you can see, steady stream. Now we can do that espresso shot. Nice stream coming out of the machine. Great color as well. And great quantity as well. Great shot of espresso. Really good crema, great color, looking great. So there you have it, Breville Barista Espresso working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.